What's going on, guys? Today I'm working on a wooden fox ornament. I'm using a cookie cutter to trace out my pattern. So I'm just using a Sharpie, fine point Sharpie, to just trace around the outside of the cookie cutter. And that will give me my pattern. And I'll cut it out on my scroll saw here in just a minute. Now that we're at the scroll saw, we can go ahead and get this cut. We're going to start with the ear, work around part of its face, and then go around its body and then its tail. These simple wooden ornaments are perfect stocking stuffers for Christmas time or just small gifts to give to your friends and whatnot. I absolutely love making these. They're a ton of fun, and no two are the same due to the wood grain, characteristics of the wood and whatnot. As you can see, it's not really hard to make these ornaments. These are very simple, very basic beginner level type ornaments. I also use this method template for making my magnets as well. I just don't put the hole in the top for the string. I just glue a magnet to the back of them, and everyone seems to love them. They're great for a fridge or any metal vertical surface you have. I have friends that use them in their toolboxes at work because they work on cars or something like that. So they're very versatile, really cute. Some people also take the string off and they put a key ring on there and they use them as keychains. These are a little bulky for that, but I've seen it done. But as you can see, I'm almost done with this one. You're just finishing up. Please let me know if you guys found this video helpful at all, or if you have any comments, questions. Please drop them down below so I can improve on the next couple of videos. I'm trying to grow my YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. I'm trying to grow all that. And I'm trying to push out more videos on the steps that I do to make all these different wooden projects I make. There's so many of these I do. This is just one of them. Next one will probably do one of the intarsia pieces. But these are so fun to make that I had to share it with you guys. As I finish up the final cut on this piece, we're going to go right into the next step, which would be drilling the hole for the string to go on. So I just drill a 1/4 inch hole with a Forstner bit. And it's pretty straightforward. Pretty easy. So our next step is sanding. I'm going to use a 180 grit piece of sandpaper on my palm sander so that I can go through and sand this to how I want. Then we use a 220 grit as well after that, but I skipped that step and just jumped right into the polyurethane step. Here I am using a wipe-on polyurethane. The brand is Minwax. This is the warm gloss. So as you can see, it darkens the wood a little bit, gives it like almost like a yellow tinge. This is a piece of maple, so it's generally like a whitish, off-white color. So this just darkens it, just brings out that color. So just dip it in and wipe it on. Now wipe it off. Let me know in the comments if you think I should use a different type of finish for these. I personally love this wipe-on polyurethane finish. It brings out that color, that makes the grain really pop on these. But I also know that there's other techniques out there, different oils you can use. Even there's spray aerosol can style. I've used those in the past, but I didn't have much luck with them. The last and final step is adding the string. So I push it through the hole, and then I pull it through. I loop it, and then I twist it on. So as you can see, that's a very cute ornament. And I want to thank you guys for watching. Here's the final product.